Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical outdoor storage shed, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose outdoor storage shed, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor storage shed from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AECOJOY 6x4 Storage Shed, Metal Sheds and Outdoor Storage. Introducing the AECOJOY 6x4 Storage Shed, the ultimate solution for your outdoor storage needs. With seamless installation facilitated by user-friendly guides and expert technical assistance, setup is hassle-free. This spacious shed boasts a 24 sqft footprint and a double-door design for easy access, accommodating various items from lawnmowers to motorcycles. Its sturdy metal construction, weighing 99 pounds, ensures exceptional stability and resilience against severe weather conditions, with wind resistance up to approximately 54 mph. The galvanized coating protects against rust, oxidation, and moisture, providing reliable protection from the elements. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and lifelong customer-friendly service available 247. Elevate your outdoor living space with AECOJOY's durable and stylish outdoor furniture, designed to withstand the test of time. Whether for family gatherings or leisurely moments in your backyard, deck, or poolside, AECOJOY ensures unforgettable outdoor experiences. Experience the extraordinary with AECOJOY Outdoor Storage Solutions. Number 2. Rubbermaid 7x7FT Resin Weather-Resistant Outdoor Storage Shed. Introducing the Rubbermaid 7x7FT Resin Weather-Resistant Outdoor Storage Shed, a sensible solution for storing large lawn care essentials and outdoor equipment. With 33% fewer parts and 50% more wall strength, assembly is faster and easier, ensuring hassle-free setup. The double wall construction and robust connectors provide durability, resisting warping from weather or weight. Doors open a full 180 degrees for convenient access to stored items, while the stronger roof supports heavier snowfall. Integrated rain gutters manage water effectively, and increased ventilation enhances airflow for better circulation. Dormer windows offer increased natural light, improving visibility inside the shed. Lockable for added security, this shed combines quality, innovation, and durability, reflecting Rubbermaid's commitment to delivering dependable products consumers trust. Experience the convenience and reliability of Rubbermaid Outdoor Storage Solutions, designed to simplify your life and withstand the test of time. Number 3. Patiowell 10x10FT Outdoor Storage Shed. Introducing the Patiowell 10x10FT Outdoor Storage Shed, a superior solution for safeguarding your outdoor equipment and belongings. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant metal, this shed withstands adverse weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting durability. With a spacious 10x10-foot design, it offers ample storage space for tools, seasonal equipment, and gardening supplies, keeping your outdoor space organized and clutter-free. Enhanced security features, including reinforced doors and lockable handles, provide peace of mind against theft. The easy assembly process, with pre-drilled holes and clear instructions, allows for efficient setup, even for those with minimal DIY experience. Versatile in utility, it can serve as a workspace, potting shed, or shelter for outdoor pets, blending seamlessly with any outdoor decor. With multiple sizes available and a coffee brown color, the Patiowell Outdoor Storage Shed is the perfect addition to any backyard or garden area. Number 4. GRAVFORCE 8x6 Outdoor Metal Storage Shed, Outdoor Shed. Introducing the GRAVFORCE 8x6 Outdoor Metal Storage Shed, a premium solution designed for durability and convenience. Crafted with thicker galvanized steel and a robust framework, this upgraded storage shed offers safe and all-weather storage. With 4819 sqft of storage space, it comfortably accommodates tools, bikes, and garden equipment. The higher hinged door ensures easy access without worrying about head clearance. Constructed with rust-resistant galvanized steel, it withstands UV exposure and prevents leakage with its sloped lean-to-roof design. Versatile in function, it can be used as a tool shed, pet house, or garbage collection room, with a lockable door for added security. Easy to assemble with labeled parts and clear instructions, it offers hassle-free setup. Elevate your backyard with GRAVFORCE's functional and stylish outdoor metal storage shed, backed by our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Number 5. Lyromix 8.6 Metal Outdoor Storage Shed with Door and Lock. Introducing the Lyromix 8.6 Metal Outdoor Storage Shed with Door and Lock, a versatile and durable storage solution for your outdoor space. Whether used as a garden shed, utility room, or pet house, this multifunctional shed keeps your belongings organized and easily accessible. Crafted from a premium's 23 mm color steel plate and supported by galvanized aluminum, it ensures stability and longevity. Keep your backyard tidy and protected from the elements with this maintenance-free shed, providing ample storage for tools, equipment, and outdoor furniture. The spacious interior and easy entry door make storage convenient, while the door lock ensures secure storage of your property. With detailed assembly instructions included, setting up this metal shed is a breeze. Please note that a level concrete or paved base is recommended for installation. Elevate your outdoor space with the Lyromix metal shed, combining functionality, style, and reliability. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.